Hello everyone, another day, another legal learning. Have you ever encountered this quote? And maybe you will ask, if a teacher falls in love with a student, is there any liability? Well, the answer is yes. A teacher may face criminal, administrative, and ethical liability if they engage in a romantic relationship with a student. Our laws does not criminalize falling in love, but acting on these romantic feelings towards a student may cause serious consequences. Like 1. If the student minor or below 18 years old, a teacher can be criminally liable under Republic Act 7610 or the Special Protection of Children Against Abuse, Exploitation, and Discrimination. Ingon ang balaod, any sexual or romantic act involving minor may be considered child abuse or sexual exploitation, especially if naaning SIM, na ay coercion, influence, and manipulation. Since the child or student is a minor and under direct supervision of the teacher, and teacher is considered person in authority, any romantic involvement may be presumed exploitative. And another, even the student is of legal age but under direct supervision gyapon sa teacher, the teacher still be liable for administrative and ethical liability. Administrative, like grave misconduct under the civil service rules, especially it involves abuse of authority. Another administrative sanction, it can be in the form of suspension, dismissal, or revocation of teacher's license. And ethical liability because it violates the Code of Ethics of Professional Teachers and DepEd Order 42 Series 2017, which prohibits any relationship that impairs professional integrity or exploits students. So hope this video help us teachers understand na kita teachers shall exercise utmost professional discretion in order to avoid scandal, gossip, and preferential treatment of the learners. So if you want to learn more videos pertaining to educational laws, please like, share, and follow for more updates. Thank you so much for watching and God bless.